Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman nafi'a. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. So yesterday we were learning the letters of the tongue. Okay. From the letters of tongue we learned 4 letters. We learned Qaf, Kaf, Noon, Ra. Okay, see the box number 3 from the train. The first letter in it is Kaf, the light letter. Then we have the heavy letter Qaf. Then we have the Noon and Ra. I explained you in the previous lesson all the articulation points and the qualities of these letters. Now let's move on to the next letters. The next letters are the letters next to Ra are Seen, Sod, Za, one below the other. Okay, you can see them one below the other. The first is Seen, then just below that it is Sod, then it is Za. Okay, now first do you remember what is the ruling, how to know the articulation point? I told you this before. The ruling is the letter of which you want to know the articulation point of that letter. So you have to write that letter first. So we will write Seen because we are learning the articulation point of Seen. Then we will place an alif before that. Or in English, the sound of Seen is S. Okay, then we will put an A before that and we will say As. I told you the sound of A should not be A, it is A. Okay, it is As. When you say As, can you tell me these, because these are the letters of the tongue, so tell me where is your tongue when you say As? Is the tip of your tongue between the, it is not touching anywhere. In fact, it stays between the upper and the lower 2 teeth. Your front 2 teeth, the upper 2 teeth and the lower 2 teeth. Does it stay between the 4 teeth? When you say As, repeat again, say As and see if the tip of your tongue hangs between the upper 2 and the lower 2 teeth. That means the 4 teeth. Yes, it does. Okay, so that is the articulation point of Seen. Next we have the letter Sod. Okay, so now you have to say As. When you say As, can you see that the tip of your tongue again stays in the same place where it was when we said Seen? Yes, it is in the same place. That means the articulation point of Sod is the same as Seen. Okay, and the articulation point is what? The tip of the tongue hangs in between the upper 2 and the lower 2 teeth. The front upper and lower 2 teeth. Okay, now let me tell you the difference between the Seen and the Sod. When you say As, the Seen is the light letter, and when you say As, your lips should take the round shape. It is the heavy letter, Sod. Okay, it is As. It is same as Seen. When you say As, it is light, but when you say As, you have to your lips should take a round shape. Okay, just this is the only difference, that the Seen is a light letter and the Sod is a heavy letter. Okay, and the articulation points of both letters are same, but the quality is different. Okay, then below the Sod we have Za. Okay, we have a dot. Can you see the dot above the letter Ra? It is similar to Ra, but there is a dot above that Ra. Okay, so when there is a dot above the Ra, it makes the letter Za. Okay, now what is the articulation point of the letter Za? How will we find out? We will place an alif before that and we will write Za. And the sound of Za in English is Z. We will place an A before that and we will say Az. Okay, Az. When you say Az, can you tell me where is your tongue? The tongue is in the same position as it was in the seen and sawed. The tip of the tongue stays in between the upper and the lower four teeth. Okay. So this is the letter Z. And what is the quality of this letter when you say az? Can you hear the buzzing sound? Yes. So there should be a buzzing sound. So this is the quality of the letter Z. If there is no buzzing sound, that means you are not pronouncing that letter correctly. Okay. So the buzzing sound while saying Z is compulsory. Okay. So this is the letter Z. And when you say seen and saw, there is a whistle sound. Okay. So the whistle sound is the quality of the letter seen and sawed. As, us, and az. Okay, so now let me repeat the letters. It is seen, sawed, za, seen, sawed, za. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the next three letters. Can you see the letter beside seen? It is to. It is to. I will write on the screen, just see it. This is the letter to. You have to find the articulation point of the letter to. What is the articulation point of letter to? How will you find out? We will place an alif before that. The sound of to is T. Okay, ta, T, and we will place an A before that. This is ato. It is not at, it is ato. I am writing in Roman, I am not writing in English. Okay, ato. Okay, so the to is a heavy letter, so your lips should take the round shape. Once your lips take the round shape, then the pronunciation will be correct. Okay, so stand in front of the mirror and then try to pronounce to. It is to. To. Okay, so the quality of this letter is what? The quality of this letter is heaviness. This letter is a heavy letter. Now tell me, what is the makhraj, the articulation point of this letter? For that we have to say it as ato. Ato. When you say ato, you can see that the tip of your tongue, it touches the root. It touches the root of your upper two teeth. Did you understand the root? See, I will draw and show you. Okay. These are your two teeth. Okay. This is your lip. These are your upper two teeth. Okay. So this portion from where the gums, from where your teeth are coming out. Okay, that is the root. Okay, that is the root of your teeth. So the tip of your tongue touches the inner root of the upper two teeth. When you say ato, ato, the tip of your tongue, where does it touch? The root of the upper two teeth. Which root? The outside root or inside root? Obviously inside root, because for the outside root you have to take out your whole tongue to reach there. Okay, so it is the inside root of the upper two teeth. Then you get the letter to. Then we have the next letter. It is dal. Dal. When you have to find the articulation point of the letter dal, what will you do? You will pronounce it as ad. Ad. When you say ad and when you say apo, can you see that the tip of the tongue touches the same place? Yes. So the makhraj, the articulation point of all these three letters, to, dal, and below that it is ta. To, dal, ta are same. Okay, just pronounce it. See, apo, ad, at. Can you see that the articulation point of all these three letters are same? And what is it? It is the tip of your tongue touches the root of the upper two teeth. Okay, the difference between to and ta is, it is the difference of quality, that to is a heavy letter and ta is a light letter. Okay, so we are done with more three letters. It is to, dal, ta. To, dal, ta. Okay, Okay, now see from the beginning, see the third block of the train. The first letter is kaf, then we have the qaf, noon, ra, then seen, sod, za, ta, dal, ta. Okay, I am repeating again. Kaf, qaf, noon, ra, seen, sod, za, ta, dal, ta. Now come to the first block. The first block is the throat letters. The first letter is hamza. Below that it is ha. Hamza, ha. Ain, ha. Ghain, kha. Okay, so learn all these letters inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.